Look what I got. About to do the live unboxing.
Ooh, it's to be good.
I've been waiting a long time for this.
Probably like a couple years.
A couple years.
That's what it feels like.
Oh. Here we go. Dun, dun, dun.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, wait. Okay. 3. Okay, you count down.
3, 2, 1.
It says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained.
Yay! Ooh. Ooh, that's clean. What they give you? An iPad?
No.
Silver play button.
Oh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh.
It's like a mirror.
That's dope.
Love you guys. Ah, that's so cool. I love it. That was
I'm
cool.
dropping.
You like it?
Yes.
I like it. Aw. First off, this is huge. This is huge. I'm honored. I'm grateful. Definitely didn't know that this would happen when I first started a YouTube channel. I literally was doing it for fun, and now it's turned into something amazing. I just want to say thank you to everybody for supporting me through the last 5 years, for subscribing to my channel, to liking my videos, to sharing my videos, to just encouraging me to just keep going. And I'm super excited. This is a huge milestone. I didn't know I was gonna get here, but I am here, and it's thanks to you guys, thanks to my family, thanks to God, because without God, my family, and you guys, really, honestly, this wouldn't be here. So, is that violent?